Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this mirror cabinet for review purposes, and I think it's really nice because it has light and some functions that I think they are excellent. As you can see, first of all, it's like a medicine cabinet where you have two power outlets in this side and two USB-A ports on this side, so you can have in here charging whatever you have. You have these two glass partitions, which makes it easier to place wherever you need to have it inside of your mirror cabinet, which I think is really nice. And either way, you have another side mirror in this part, which I think is excellent. And well, in the main unit, you have this side. You can turn on the light. You can change the temperature, as you can see, and by long pressing it, you can adjust the brightness, which I think it's really nice. You even have this function, which is a defogger. So when you're taking a bath and a lot of fog accumulates, you just turn it up and the fog will get out of your mirror with the lights on, which I think it's a really nice function.
Another thing that I find quite nice about this mirror cabinet is that you have mirrors all of the sides, and you even got this little light underside, which I think it's really nice. And as I've said, you have plenty of space inside, so you can place whatever you need. And you have the electric ports, so you can use whatever you need and have them charge at any time, which is really nice. And it has a memory function, so you can turn on or off the light and it will be with the same light that you were using the last time, which I think it's an excellent function. The installation process is really easy and it comes with all the pieces and parts that you need to install, all the screws and everything, which is really nice. And you can wire it or have it connected with a wall plug, which I think it's really nice.
And overall, I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.